Elements. An element is a pure substance which cannot be broken into two or more pure substances by chemical means. There are 118 elements known to man which have been placed systematically in a table called periodic table. Elements are further divided into metals, non-metals and noble gases. We have learned previously that various states of matter exist due to different arrangement of molecules in them. Now we will learn that molecules are not the smallest particle of matter, but it is an atom which is smallest particle of matter. An atom is the smallest particle of an element, which may or may not have independent existence, but always takes part in a chemical reaction. All elements are made up of atoms. Atoms of an element are similar to each other, while atoms of different elements differ from each other. Of the 118 elements, 94 occur naturally on Earth. 6 of these occur in extreme trace quantities: technetium, promethium, astatine, francium, neptunium, and plutonium. These 94 elements have been detected in the universe at large, in the spectra of stars and also supernovae, where short-lived elements are newly being made. The first 94 elements have been detected directly on Earth, present from the formation of the solar system, or as naturally occurring uranium and thorium. Atoms of chemically pure elements may bond to each other chemically in more than one way, allowing the pure element to exist in multiple chemical structures, spatial arrangements of atoms, known as allotropes, which differ in their properties. For example, carbon can be found as diamond, graphite, graphene, which is a single layer of graphite that is very strong, fullerenes, which have nearly spherical shapes, and carbon nanotubes. O atom plus O atom gives O2 molecule. N atom plus N atom gives N2 molecule. H atom plus H atom gives H2 molecule. Here is a table showing the first 20 elements of the periodic table. Atomic number, symbol, element: 1 H, hydrogen; 2 He, helium; 3 Li, lithium; 4 Be, beryllium; 5 B, boron; 6 C, carbon; 7 N, nitrogen; 8 O, oxygen; 9 F, fluorine; 10 Ne, neon; 11 Na, sodium; 12 Mg, magnesium; 13 Al, aluminium; 14 Si, silicon; 15 P, phosphorus; 16 S, sulfur; 17 Cl, chlorine; 18 Ar, argon; 19 K, potassium; 20 Ca, calcium. Symbols of elements. Symbols are representation of elements by using one or two alphabet. Writing complete names of elements and compounds is time-consuming, but symbols are easy to remember and quick to write. Berzelius did pioneering work in this field, and today we name elements adopting his method. Long back, symbols used to be pictorial. To represent hydrogen, one wrote, and for oxygen, symbols of some elements on this basis are given here. Nitrogen, phosphorus, iron, zinc, mercury. Rules of writing symbols. Symbols of some elements are derived from the first letter of their English names, and they are represented by capital letter. Table showing symbols derived from the first letter of their English name. Elements. Symbols. Hydrogen, H. Carbon, C. Oxygen, O. Phosphorus, P. Sulfur, S. Iodine, I. If two or more elements have names beginning with the same letter, then one more letter is added to the first letter, and second letter will be small. Table showing symbols derived from two letters of their English name. Elements. Symbols. Helium, He. Magnesium, Mg. Manganese, Mn. Aluminium, Al. Silicon, Si. Chlorine, Cl. Chromium, Cr. Calcium, Ca. Cobalt, Co. Zinc, Zn. Symbols of some elements are derived from their Latin names. Table showing symbols derived from their Latin name. Elements. Symbols. English, Latin. Sodium, natrium, Na. Potassium, kalium, K. Iron, ferrum, Fe. Copper, cuprum, Cu. Silver, argentum, Ag. Gold, aurum, Au. Mercury, hydrargyrum, Hg. Lead, plumbum, Pb. Some elements are named after the country from where they were discovered or after the person who discovered them. Americium, Am. Europium, Eu, are named after the country where they were discovered, but nobelium, No, and einsteinium, Es, have been named after the scientist who discovered them. You can immortalize your name by discovering an element which will be named after you. Think about it. Symbol can be defined as a short form or abbreviated name of an element. Chemical symbol represents the number of atoms in one molecule of the element. This is called atomicity. Table showing few elements with their atomicity and formulae. Elements. Chemical atomicity. Helium, He, 1, monoatomic. Sodium, Na, 1, monoatomic. Potassium, K, 1, monoatomic. Calcium, Ca, 1, monoatomic. Hydrogen, H2, 2, diatomic. Nitrogen, N2, 2, diatomic. Chlorine, Cl2, 2, diatomic. Ozone, O3, 3, triatomic. Compounds. Elements combine differently to form compounds. The combination of elements occurs in a fixed ratio. Thus, a compound can be defined as a molecule which contains two or more elements chemically combined together in a fixed ratio. Mechanism of formation of a compound. Let us take some iron fillings and sulfur in 1:1 ratio and spread them over a paper. Now bring a magnet near this and see that iron fillings start sticking to the magnet. Sulfur is seen as a yellow substance. Transfer the mixture in a test tube and heat for a long time. You will notice that even after you stop heating the mixture, the test tube continues to glow for some time. Cool the test tube and remove its contents. The test tube contains a metallic solid which can be powdered. Spread this powder on a paper and pass magnet over it. Nothing sticks to the magnet. When iron was heated with sulfur, their atoms combined to form molecules of iron sulfide. If we break the molecule of iron sulfide, we will not get atoms of similar type as in case of iron or sulfur molecules. They will differ from each other as they are of different elements, but molecules of FeS will resemble each other. Diagrammatically, the change can be shown as iron Fe plus sulfur S. Elements: gray plus yellow. Black, iron sulfide, FeS. Compound. If you look at the table showing symbols of elements, you will find that symbol of iron is Fe and sulfur is S. Hence, the formula of iron sulfide is FeS. How are molecules of elements different from that of compounds? An element is made of only one kind of atom. Therefore, its molecules contain atoms of one kind only. But a compound is made of different elements. Molecules of a compound contain atoms which are dissimilar. For example, a molecule of oxygen contains 2 atoms of oxygen, but a molecule of sulfur dioxide is made of 3 atoms, 1 of sulfur and 2 of oxygen. Chemical formula. A chemical formula is a symbolic representation of one molecule of a compound, representing the number of atoms of various elements present in it. While writing a chemical formula of a compound, symbol of metal is written first, and then the symbol of the other element present in a compound. The number of atoms of each element are written as a subscript at the right-hand corner of their symbol. For example, sodium oxide contains 2 atoms of sodium and 1 atom of oxygen. Sodium is a metal. Its symbol is Na, while oxygen is a non-metal and its symbol is O. Formula will be written as Na2O. The symbols in a formula can be prefixed or suffixed by a numeral. When the numeral is written on the left-hand side before the formula, it represents the number of molecules of the compound or the number of atoms present in each molecule of an element. 1. When we write 2C or 3S, it means 2 atoms of carbon and 3 atoms of sulfur respectively. 2. When we write 2CuO, it means 2 molecules of copper oxide, which contains 2 atoms of copper and 2 atoms of oxygen. 3. When the numeral is written on the right bottom side of the symbol, it represents the number of atoms in one molecule of a compound. For example, A. When we write O2Cl2, it means that one molecule of oxygen or chlorine each has 2 atoms in it. B. When we write MgOH2, it means that one molecule of magnesium hydroxide has 1 atom of magnesium and 2 atoms of oxygen and hydrogen each. C. If we write 2KMnO4, it means 2 molecules of potassium permanganate contain 2 atoms of potassium, 2 atoms of manganese, and 8 atoms of oxygen. Formulae of some compounds and their uses are given in this table. Name, formula: nitric acid, HNO3, calcium oxide, CaO, sodium chloride, NaCl, sodium hydroxide, NaOH, carbon dioxide, CO2, aluminium oxide, Al2O3. Substances. Pure substances. Atoms and molecules are constituents of various substances that exist in nature. Substances can exist as solid, liquid, or gas. In this unit, we will study about another way in which substances can be classified into pure and mixed substances. Substances, pure substances, mixed substances. Elements, compounds. Homogeneous, heterogeneous. Pure substance may be defined as a substance which contains particles of the same kind with same properties. Examples: gold, silver, distilled water, etc. Characteristics of pure substances. 1. It has a definite composition. 2. It has specific melting and boiling points with characteristic color, smell, or taste. Mixed substances. Mixture is formed by simply mixing two or more different components. In a mixture, all different components retain their individual properties. Example: soil, air, etc. Characteristics of mixed substances. 1. It does not have a definite composition. 2. A mixture does not have specific boiling and melting points. 3. The components of a mixture can be separated by physical methods. Mixtures. A mixture is an impure substance. It contains two or more kinds of elements or compounds, or both physically mixed together in any ratio. How do we get mixtures? Mixture can be formed by mixing matter of different states. It may be by mixing solid with solid, or solid with liquid, or solid with gas, etc. Different types of mixtures. A. Solid. Solid mixture. Sand plus gravel plus rice plus dal. B. Solid. Liquid mixture. Salt plus water plus sugar plus water. C. Solid gas mixture. Smoke and smog. D. Liquid mixture. Water plus alcohol. E. Gas liquid mixture. O2 in water. CO2 plus water in soft drinks. F. Gas mixture. Air. Classification of mixtures. There are two types of mixture. Classification of mixtures. Homogeneous mixtures. Heterogeneous mixtures. Solution, alloy. Suspension, emulsion. Homogeneous mixtures. In a homogeneous mixture, the components are mixed together completely. It has a uniform composition and properties throughout the mixture. Alloys and solutions are examples of homogeneous mixtures. A mixture of salt and water is an example of homogeneous mixture. Activity. Take two beakers and mark them as A and B. Put some sand in beaker A, half filled with water. Stir it well. Can you still see the sand particles in water, or do they disappear? Now put some sugar in beaker B, half filled with water. Can you see the sugar particles in water? They disappear as they uniformly dissolve in water, resulting in a homogeneous mixture. Solution. A solution is an example of homogeneous mixture. A solution is formed when a solid is dissolved in a liquid. The substance which dissolves is called a solute. In the activity, sugar dissolves in water. So, sugar is a solute here. The substance in which the solute dissolves is called the solvent. In the above activity, sugar is dissolved in water. So, water is a solvent here. A solution containing water as solvent is known as aqueous solution. Alloy. A homogeneous mixture of two or more metals or a metal and a non-metal is called an alloy. For example, bronze is an alloy of copper and tin. Brass is an alloy of copper and zinc. In a heterogeneous mixture, the components are not mixed together completely. That is, the components are not uniformly distributed. The components can be seen separately. Its properties also vary throughout the mixture. Suspensions and emulsions are examples of heterogeneous mixture. Suspension. A suspension is formed when an insoluble solid is added to a solvent. Such a heterogeneous mixture in which solute particles are spread throughout the solvent without dissolving in it is called a suspension. For example, chalk powder dissolved in water forms a suspension. Some medicines and syrups administered to children are in the form of a suspension. Emulsion. An emulsion is formed when one liquid is dispersed as tiny droplets throughout another liquid. For example, the milky-looking liquid formed by mixing cooking oil with water is known as an emulsion. When you shake the mixture of oil and water vigorously, the oil breaks up into tiny droplets, which are small enough to float in the water. This makes the water appear milky. Common properties of mixtures. In spite of dissimilarity in composition, there are certain properties which are common to all mixtures. They are: 1. Mixtures have a variable composition. It means that mixture of any two things can have components present in varying proportions, unlike compounds. For example, water prepared by any means will contain hydrogen and oxygen in the ratio 2:1, but a sugar solution can contain varying amount of sugar present in water. 2. Preparation of mixtures is a physical change. The components of mixture retain their properties even after they are mixed with other components. 3. Properties of mixtures are sum total of properties of its components. For example, air contains oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, etc. Hence, it supports life. Property of oxygen. Turns lime water milky. Property of carbon dioxide. Does not allow things to burn rapidly in atmosphere. Property of nitrogen. 4. No energy change takes place during formation of mixture. 5. Components of a mixture can be separated by physical means. For example, if you want to separate components of a mixture of sugar and sand, just add water. Sugar dissolves in water. Now, decant the water. You will get back sand as a sediment, and on evaporating the solution, sugar would be obtained. Need for separating the components of a mixture. 1. To obtain two different but useful components of a mixture. 2. To remove harmful components or impurities